down here in Houston, Texas. YouTube, what's up with y'all? It feel good out here. I'm out here just getting it in right quick. I ain't worked out in the last. I worked out Saturday. Monday and Sunday I did. Driving, trying to get that paper. But how my good folks doing? How my good folks doing? Put it in the comments. Let me know how everybody doing. Any progress on y'all workout? How y'all been eating? Talk to me. Oh, right here. I got Devin with me. He back there chilling. Got a little doggy parked back there, so he back there doing what he do. Yeah, y'all. Tap in with your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me get back to my workout. Peace.